Today we are going to take a very fun quiz. I'm so excited to do this with you guys. Let's see how many of the world's flags you are going to get right today. Can you guess the first flag? It's United States of America. Wow, look at all the yellow stars in this one. I know you will guess this one right away. Yeah, this is China. Wait, which one is this? Whoa, Russia! This flag is also very colorful. Don't you get excited to see this one? Which flag is this? This is Brazil. Let's see what you think about this one. This is France. I would just wait for you to guess this one. Italy. This one is the home of kangaroos. This is Australia. And this is one of my favorites. Can you guess it for me? It's Africa. Who is going to guess this one? Yeah, United Kingdom. Good job. This is my most favorite. This is Pakistan. Hey, wait a second. Can you spot colors in this one? There is orange, white, and green. This is India. Oh wow, this one is so beautiful. This is Canada. What is this flag which has two triangles joined together? Yeah, you guessed it right. This is Nepal. Oh, I think you know this one. This one has a lot of colors and a moon and star. This is Libya. Who is going to guess this one? Sudan. Good job. Which flag is this which looks so much like Pakistan but is only red in color? This is Turkey. Do you know there is also an animal called turkey? This one also has a lot of colors in it. Which flag do you think it is? You're right again. This is Germany. Okay, I'm going to drop a hint for this one. This one starts with N. No, Norway. This one looks like an Islamic country to me. Yeah, this is Iran. Look at this one! This one has an eagle inside it. This is Egypt. Oh, wow! This one has a yellow animal with a sword in its hand. This is Sri Lanka. Look, this one has a pretty red circle in it. You know what it is. This is Japan. Wow, did you see that? This one looks exactly like Japan but only has a green background. This is Bangladesh. This This one looks exactly like Australia but has lesser number of stars and red stars.
This is New Zealand.
I hope to see you all soon with a very exciting video. Grown-ups, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Dr. Namra Aziz. I hope you had fun learning flags today. See you soon with a new exciting video. Till then, bye-bye.